In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Patreon Discord not syncing roles. If your Discord perks aren't showing up or your role hasn't updated after a pledge change, the most reliable solution is to refresh the connection between Patreon and Discord. I'll walk you through the exact steps and share a few tips to make sure everything reconnects smoothly. Start by opening a fresh browser window and searching for Patreon. A clean session helps avoid issues caused by old logins or cached data. Click the official Patreon result to head to the site. Sign in to your Patreon account as you normally would. Once you're in, go to Settings. You'll usually find this by opening your profile menu. Inside Settings, look for the Apps section. This is where Patreon manages connections to services like Discord. Find Discord in your connected apps and click Disconnect. This won't affect your pledges. It simply unlinks the old connection so we can set up a clean one. After disconnecting on Patreon, also log out of Discord in your browser. This step ensures you won't accidentally reconnect the wrong account or reuse a stale session. If you've had repeated sync issues, consider clearing your browser's cache and cookies, especially for Patreon and Discord. Clearing just those sites can remove outdated tokens without signing you out everywhere else. This is optional, but it can resolve stubborn connection errors. Now return to Patreon, go back to the Apps section, and click Connect for Discord. A Discord login or authorization window should appear. Log into Discord if prompted, then review the permissions and click Authorize. This permission allows Patreon to recognize your account so it can apply your roles based on your membership. If the connection window doesn't appear, temporarily disable any ad blockers, pop-up blockers, or privacy extensions, then try connecting again. These tools can sometimes block the authorization pop-up. You can re-enable them after the connection is complete. Before you finish, make sure you connected the correct Discord account. Many people have more than one. On the authorization screen or in Discord, double-check the username and avatar. If it's not the right account, sign out of Discord, then repeat the connect process with the correct one. That's it. After reconnecting, Patreon will re-establish the link to Discord, and your roles should update automatically, often within a minute. If you've followed these steps carefully, you'll have a clean, authorized connection that reliably syncs your membership perks.